Welcome to the AI Millionaire Movement, your go-to channel for discovering powerful AI trends and investment opportunities shaping the future. If you're serious about building wealth through AI, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving deep into Gotham AI, a highly advanced platform developed by Palantir Technologies that's being used by intelligence agencies, military forces, and law enforcement around the world. We'll explore what Gotham AI actually does, why governments are investing in it, and how you can position yourself as an investor to benefit from the growth of this powerful technology. If you find this video helpful, please take a moment and subscribe to AI Millionaire Movement, hit the like button, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you'll be the first to get the latest AI investment strategies and insights. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is Gotham AI? Gotham is one of the flagship platforms developed by Palantir Technologies, NYSE, PLTR, a company that specializes in big data analytics and artificial intelligence. Gotham is primarily used by defense and intelligence agencies, including the U.S. Department of Defense, CIA, FBI, ICE, and even international allies like the UK and NATO. At its core, Gotham AI integrates and analyzes massive volumes of classified and unclassified data, identifying patterns, predicting threats, and helping analysts make life or death decisions in real time. Think of it as a command and control brain for warfighters and decision-makers. It visualizes battlefield intelligence, integrates drone and satellite feeds, tracks enemy movements, predicts insurgent attacks, and even identifies hidden financial networks used by terrorists. In a world increasingly defined by asymmetric threats and geopolitical instability, platforms like Gotham are becoming indispensable. And because it's built with AI and machine learning at its foundation, Gotham continues to evolve and improve with every new data point. One of the reasons Gotham is such a big deal is because of who's using it. The platform is deployed across more than 50 allied nations and continues to be a critical asset in global counterterrorism, cybersecurity, and military operations. The U.S. Army awarded Palantir a massive $823 million contract to power the Army's intelligence data fabric and AI-enabled mission command platform. In another instance, Palantir secured a $250 million contract with the U.S. Special Operations Command. But it's not just the military. Gotham is used by local police departments and border protection agencies to help track criminal activity, identify threats, and enhance public safety operations. This makes Palantir more than just a government contractor, it's a backbone technology provider for national defense and security. And that means recurring revenue, long-term contracts, and significant government investment, something that adds stability to Palantir's stock even during broader tech market volatility. So, what does all this mean from an investment perspective? Let's break it down. Palantir Technologies, ticker PLTR, went public via direct listing in 2020, and while it initially faced skepticism from Wall Street, the company has since proven its resilience and growth potential. As of 2025, Palantir has a market cap exceeding $60 billion and continues to expand into both government and commercial sectors. One of the most compelling aspects of investing in Palantir is its dual revenue model. It earns money from both government contracts, Gotham, and commercial clients, Foundry platform. However, Gotham remains the strategic crown jewel. These government contracts are typically multi-year and high margin, and they provide consistent, predictable cash flows. Palantir also recently reported its first full year of GAAP profitability, signaling a turning point for institutional investors. The company has over $3 billion in cash and no long-term debt, giving it the financial muscle to continue innovating and expanding. And here's the kicker: Palantir is positioning itself as one of the top AI defense contractors in the world. While most AI companies focus on consumer or enterprise solutions, Palantir's Gotham AI gives it a massive edge in a niche that has government-level protection and high barriers to entry. We are now entering a new era, the AI arms race. Governments worldwide are scrambling to deploy AI across military and intelligence sectors. Countries like China and Russia are heavily investing in AI-powered warfare, surveillance, and cyber operations. In this climate, America and its allies need technological superiority, and Gotham AI is a key piece of that puzzle. The more global tension increases, the more critical Gotham becomes. That means more contracts, more upgrades, and more data flowing through Palantir's platform, strengthening its AI models in real time. This is also why Palantir CEO Alex Karp has emphasized that the company is not just another Silicon Valley firm, it is a mission-driven enterprise committed to Western values and national security. In a way, investing in Palantir is not just about buying into AI, it's about backing the infrastructure that could defend democratic nations in the 21st century. Of course, no investment is without risk. Palantir has faced criticism for its work with law enforcement and immigration agencies. Ethical concerns around surveillance and privacy are real, and future regulations could affect the company's operations. Additionally, Gotham's dependency on government contracts means its revenue is somewhat tied to political cycles and defense budgets. However, given increasing global instability, it's unlikely we'll see governments pulling back on security tech spending anytime soon. Another challenge is valuation. Palantir's stock is often considered expensive by traditional metrics like price to earnings. But as AI becomes more entrenched in defense strategy, some analysts believe the valuation is justified due to long-term growth potential. If you're interested in investing in Gotham AI, your entry point is through Palantir Technologies stock, PLTR. It's listed on the New York Stock Exchange and available through any major brokerage like Robinhood, Fidelity, or TD Ameritrade. Look for dips in the market or earnings announcements for potential entry points. And if you're a long-term investor, consider a dollar-cost averaging strategy to smooth out volatility. You can also diversify by investing in AI-focused ETFs that include Palantir in their holdings, like the Global X Robotics and AI ETF, BOTS, or ARK Innovation ETF, ARKK. To wrap up, investing in Gotham AI via Palantir offers a rare opportunity to be part of the next frontier of warfare, intelligence, and global security powered by artificial intelligence. It's not just another tech play, it's an investment in the future of how nations operate and protect themselves. If you found this breakdown valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to AI Millionaire Movement, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the next big AI investing opportunity.